How to improve your Instagram story quality. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways on how to improve your Instagram story quality. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. Then once you're here, you need to go to your profile. And then click the 3 tabs on the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and look for the data usage and media quality. But if you can find this option, you can search it right here, data, and you can go to the first one. Here we have 2 options. The first one is useless data. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And the second one is the media upload quality. If you turn this thing on, it allows you to upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. And there you go guys, your next Instagram story will now have a better quality. The second way to improve your Instagram story is you need to use your system camera, not the Instagram camera. You can go home and open the camera app. Example, I'm gonna click this one and then go back. I'll go back here in my Instagram app. Then of course, I will post a story. And there you go guys. And that's how to improve your Instagram story quality. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.